This is a tube that I had previously tormented, but I thought it needed more. So what I'm doing is I'm heating the entire thing up so it's evenly heated so that it doesn't thermally crack. And I've heated up something to red hot temperature using MAP gas, and now I can just gently push in and deform the glass. And then using my rotating stage, I can go over to another area, lower this a little bit, and you have to heat up your little pointer thingy so it doesn't cool down the glass. And then you can just push the glass in slightly. Doesn't need a lot. And with the MAP gas, it heats up pretty quickly, which is a good thing. The other thing is, this has been cut off in a diamond saw, which often leaves a rough edge, so I flame polish it. And the cool thing is, if you get a small crack along the edge, when you heat it up, it will melt back together. So what I'm going to do here is just rotate this slightly just to show what the flame polishing looks like. Actually, I want to be going in the other direction. No, I want to be going... This rotating stage here is handy for a bunch of different things. I can do different directions, and I can control the speed. So you want it, and then I can just turn it off when I get to an area where I want to do stuff. And the thing to do is just leave the flame where it is and move the stage around. Hopefully I didn't just move it out of the frame. Alright, so I see one more little place. You got to remember the laser is going to be going through two surfaces. So you can leave some blank space so the other side of the glass provides the effect. But in this case, I didn't have quite as much mojo as I wanted, so I'm adding more. You'll notice how this kind of sags in here. I'm going to kind of push that back in to make it a little more circular. But again, the point is to get it as irregular as possible, because that gets you your best Lumia. If you've got something that's really warped, as this is, it works better at higher speeds. With a minimal thing, slow speeds work better. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn off the gas and demonstrate what this thing looks like. And if I take my laser and I rotate the torture tube, this is what you get. Pretty cool. And again, I like it really slow. So the idea is to avoid getting a single spot of light, which would happen if it goes through two surfaces that aren't deformed, and shine it through one deformed, through plane, or through two deformed. And if you shine it straight on, you get that kind of effect. If you do it at kind of an angle, you can get a really nice wide effect like that. Okay, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make a torture tube.